My impression of Wales, I guess I am amazed.
Cardiff is incredible. Welsh people, they're awesome, really friendly. I've been impressed.
When I got here and I got to meet the people, it's awesome to have great creativity. They are great people. We have a lot of industry already here. I think it's going to be great.
Welcome, bienvenidos. I'm delighted to see so many of you here today on a fine, beautiful morning in Cardiff.
There's been a great relationship between Wales and Jalisco. Technology and innovation is worthless if we don't contribute to the wellness of the people and to elevate the standard of living. In essence, that is what we're doing in the ministry. Thank you for the opportunity to exchange these ideas with you.
And the opportunity to work with John again, has potentially arisen, which would be amazing to bring two companies that have already worked together in Wales into the project. And then we began to hear whispers that the governments may start to work together, which is potentially an amazing opportunity.
My name is Claudio Jimenez. I'm the CCO of Mighty Animation Studios back in Guadalajara, Mexico. Creative industry in Mexico is an emerging industry. It's really new. We're looking around the world for great examples of how to grow it. And I think collaborating with you guys will be awesome to learn of how you've been growing the creative industries. The ambitions we have for Mighty Studio, I would guess, would be creating worldwide content. Mighty Studio is definitely interested in co-producing with Welsh companies. We're kind of very the same in our goals. We want to grow a strong creative industry. I think Welsh and Jalisco will be a great partner working together.
There's no language barrier because we work with art. If you saw, the art doesn't have different languages. I'm going to tell the people of Jalisco they have to come here to Wales. It's really easy to access to Wales. It's really inspired to see the city, the people, the locations. Here are creative people, and Jalisco are creative people. They are separate right now, but when they are going to get together, it's going to be an explosion of creativity. Definitely have to come here, and the people from Wales have to go to Jalisco also.
3 words to describe Wales would be beautiful, friendly, and creative.
We are at the start of a long and I think exciting journey to grow lasting and rewarding relations between Wales and Mexico. On behalf of Welsh Government, I would like to thank Pro-Mexico and UK-TI for their assistance in making this event happen. Of all of the regions in the UK, you came to Wales, and I am delighted that you made the right choice.